it's better you check it and find out early so you can treat it. Rather than wait till it is so enlarged, you have stoppage of water. The best way to examine it is to do a blood work, but that only gives you part of the sign of what may be a problem. It's a warning sign if there's a problem. But the best examination is the insertion. Is to put the finger out, the doctor, in a very sanitary and healthy way. They put on a glove, they apply whatever lubricant they need to, and they do a quick touch on it. Because they know what they're looking for. And they want to see if it is enlarged, if it swell up. Because if it enlarged, or start to get enlarged, you can't use, that is the instrument then, where we are love as man, to use. No one then. Right, Daddy? How many children you have? How much? How much? 3. Just 3? Bunch of people now, they have one people now. Huh? You're a smart man, right? I'm sure you send all of them to good school and all that. So you need that examination in order to understand the prostate. And let me tell you why it's important, and I'm here to give it on dance people. It's important. And you may be, I'm here preaching to the choir here because you come out to get this treatment. We'll have to go to the road and tell other people who are not here, the brothers and our friends and others to come get this. It's important because in Jamaica, prostate sickness or prostate cancer is the leading cause of death in our Jamaican men among the cancer category. You understand? If you don't treat it, if you recognize there's a problem, it will eventually create a problem that can lead to death. It could eventually lead to a problem where you have to go to surgery and you have to cut it or take it out. And you know what the side effects of that is.